A very good morning, students. Hope you all of you fit and healthy at your home with your family because this is good for you, beta. And let's start today's classes. I hope all of you read this chapter 1, the earth, our home. And hope you all of you watched my previous video, that is part 1. In that video, I told you about the earth, the surface of the earth. Okay, it means the in which planet we live now. We live all on the earth. Earth is a blue planet. Why it is called blue planet and why life is possible on the earth? And uh, the earth is made of land, water and air. Okay, its surface is land made. Its surface is land, water and air. That's why the life is possible on the earth. Okay, I hope all things are clear now. If you are not watched my previous video, then you can watch it. Then let's start it. Today's classes and today's topic is the shape of the earth. The shape of the earth. What is the shape of the earth? Okay, here I draw this diagram. The shape of the earth is a look like a ball, like a football, and it is a round shape. Okay, and the shape of the earth is round shape like a football, and here I am showing now the land, water, all things are, and it is the very huge round. Look at here. Here I am showing now one ball. Look at here. Same this type. Our earth is round shape, and it is a very huge ball, and it is very huge ball. This things is presently proved by the scientists. But in the olden time, the uh, people are thinking about the earth is flat, like that, this type of flat, and they are afraid, and they are do not, and they are afraid now, and they do not travel too far because they are places, because they are afraid now. Why? They think about the earth is a flat. Look at here. Everyone look at here. They suppose that the earth shape is flat because they are afraid. Why? Because both edges are not meet. Both edges, this edge and this edge, both edges are not meet, and they think about when they are traveling to far places, and they would reach the traveling far places, they would reach the end of the earth and they fall down. That's why they are afraid. Okay, but that people think about wrong. It was about 1500 year ago. Okay, how many years ago? 1500, sorry, 500 year ago, not 1500. It was 500 year ago, and some brave some brave sailors, okay, some brave sailors 500 year ago, people think about the earth shape is not round, it was flat. Okay, but 500 year ago, some brave sailors started their journey. Okay, some brave sailors started their journey, a long journey, that is voyage. What is the meaning of this word? Voyage. What is the meaning of this word? In Hindi word we can say this word is Jal Yatra. Okay, and in English version, voyage means it is a adventurer traveling in water. Understand? I hope understand you all are understand. One brave sailor, and his name was Ferdinand Magellan, and he was Spanish, and he was took 5 ships. How many ships? 5 ships and many sailors, and he started their journey. He was started their journey sailing towards the which direction? West direction. When we are showing now in the map, always you remember the upward is north direction and down is south, and this is the west and this is the east. Okay, east direction. And Ferdinand Magellan, he was started sailing towards their journey in west direction. Suppose that a student, this is, look at here everyone. Suppose that this is the earth, and our earth planet is a very huge planet, and it is a look like this ball. Okay, it is round. And Ferdinand Magellan, he was started their journey from which direction? West direction. Suppose that he was started their journey in this direction, and he was starting their journey without taking any turn. Without, remember this word, without taking any turn, he was started their journey, and he complete his round, and after 3 years he was reached same place where he was started their journey. It means he proved that the earth is not flat, earth is a round, because he was reached same place after 3 years. Okay, it means their experiment was proved that the earth is round, not flat. Who proved that this? Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth shape is not flat, it is round shape. Understand beta? And everyone look this diagram. This is the picture of the Ferdinand Magellan. Look at here. He was the brave sailor, and he was started their journey. Okay, and he was proved that the earth shape is round shape, not flat. Okay, and look at here, this is the map of the world map. Okay, and here is the red line is showing the route of the Magellan. It means which route he was used now in their journey. Understand? And science has made a great progress, and in science, round shape. Astronauts, what is the meaning of astronaut? The person who go into the space, that person is called astronauts. And the astronauts name Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin. These are the 2 persons, the first 2 persons that go into the space. From the moon, they took many photographs of the earth. Okay, both astronauts, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin, both are go in the moon. Moon is a satellite of our earth. It is natural satellite, and both astronauts took many photographs of the earth from the moon. Look at here everyone in your book. This is the picture of Neil Armstrong. On 20th July 1969, he was first person who stepped first foot on the moon. Okay, and he was the first person to set his foot on the moon. Neil Armstrong. Two astronauts are go there, but Neil Armstrong was the first person. And satellite have also taken pictures of the earth, and these photographs clearly show that the earth is round like a ball. Look at here, these pictures. This is the picture of our earth, and it is a look like a ball. Okay. Understand? Here, next topic is origin. Origin. What is the meaning of origin? Origin. What is the meaning of origin? Origin means a line where the land and the sea, two scenes to meet. What is the meaning? What I am saying now? Suppose that, student, when you are standing near the seashore, any river shore, you can see that in some places the river and the sky both are meet. Yes or no? You are watching now. Suppose that when you are going now the Ganga Ghat, and you are standing now standing any ghat, and you see too far, and sometimes what seems to the land and the sky both are meet. Both are meet. That place is called horizon. But when you are going there, the horizon is another place. Yes or no? It means it is a line where the land and the sky seems to meet. Understand? Okay. The next point is, that is coast. What is the meaning of this word? Coast. A land. This is a land. This is near the sea, near the water body. That land is called coast. Look at here. Suppose this is a land, and here is the water bodies. Okay, this land is called coast, coastal land. Okay, understand? I hope all things are clear now, and I'll see you some pictures of the coastal region. Look at here in your from your book. Look at here. First I am showing you the horizon picture. Look at here. This boy is standing near the seashore, and here the sometime this river and this skies meet now. Sometimes here is, look at here, here is the sky and the land is meet. This place is called, where the land and the skies meet, that place is called horizon. Both are meet now, seems to meet. That place is called horizon. Understand? Look at here in this picture also. This land and this sky is meet. This place is called horizon. Understand? When these boys are coming this ground, and that horizon is far from this place. Okay. Then what is the coast? Coast is, look at here. This is the land. This green part, this part is land, and this blue part is called water bodies. It means this place where the land and sea meet. Land and sea both are meet. This part is called coast. Okay? Understand? And when we are celebrate Earth Day, tell me, when we are celebrate Earth Day, 22nd April in this month, 22nd April. When we celebrate Earth Day, when we celebrate on 22nd of April, here is off is missing. Of 22nd of April, we are celebrating Earth Day. Okay. I hope all things are clear now. From this chapter beta, both video you can watch. Then I think your all doubts are clear now from this chapter. And all of you write now these new terms in your copy. Look at here. These new terms: horizon, atmosphere, voyage, astronauts. Understand? This is your interleaf copy. Here is index. Here you mention now the index, serial number 1, today's date when you are right now the some writing work. Here is the title. Title means chapter name you mention now. Page number you leave it. Okay. After that, first page you leave it. Then this page use only diagram, and here you write now the new terms. How you can write now? Here you mention now the date. Here chapter 1. Leave one line. After that, write now the chapter name, the earth, our home. Then your heading is new terms. After that, one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can write now the all new terms from your book. I think all things are understand now. Okay, students. In next class, we will do the book exercise from this chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Keep learning. Stay safe at your home.